Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations for practice. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 128. Start. Number 1. Dear Mr. Taylor, this letter will introduce to you Mr. Robert P. Johnson, who is in your city on business for his company. Full stop. His firm has undertaken a contract of some magnitude in the planning of a community center for this city, and consequently Mr. Johnson is anxious to study at first hand what has been accomplished in your city. Full stop. New para. I am confident that you will do all you can to make Mr. Johnson comfortable while he is with you, and I shall consider all that you do for him a very great favor to me. Full stop. Sincerely yours, new para. Number 2. Gentlemen, in response to your communication of 14th September, we are sorry to say that we cannot consider your request for an exclusive agency for the sale of our goods in your city. Full stop. It is contrary to our policy to restrict the sale of our merchandise to any one wholesale firm in a city, and for this reason we cannot take advantage of your offer. Full stop. We are sure that you will recognize that, in fairness to all our dealers, it is impossible to make a departure from our policy. Full stop. New para. If you will continue to handle our goods at the usual wholesale terms, we are sure that you will be completely satisfied with your sales. Full stop. The new lines we have recently introduced have met with considerable favor all over the country, and we are confident that they will sell to your complete satisfaction. Full stop. Very truly yours,